going on, guys? Welcome back to the studios here in Tauranga. Feeling a little bit rested now. I don't know what time of day it is. I don't give a fuck. I've gotten up and indulged in a number of the things that make me feel good, and yeah, so that's fine. But hey, so Becca's here at the studios when we got back to Tauranga. Shelley Brew, Queen Brew. There's a package that's arrived here. I'm not sure where Ray is. I'm sure he's probably still asleep. Or he's catching up. He'll be catching up on an entire 7 days basically worth of YouTube footage, content from all the other content creators, vehicles that we follow, all sorts of stuff. So he'll be doing that. He'll be doing that for the next few days, which is good. I don't have the mental ADHD capacity to do that, so that's why he's Encyclopedia Ray. He'll go, watch these kids, and I'll watch some of the burners. Definitely got to watch a heap of Lawrence stuff. Watched a little bit while we were travelling, but not as much as we could. Shout out to Mitchell Sweetlips for this fucking cool little face tracking fucking thing that he's given me here. Well, I don't know if he's given it to me, but he's like, here, take this and try it. So it's pretty cool. So anyway, I've got this package here from Miss AU, Sliding Designs, and I thought I might as well just open this and give them a bit of a shout out. She's done an amazing job, Shelley, and what she's doing with the burnout community and stuff that's happening in the South Island. It's one of the biggest things, well, not one of the biggest things, but it's the thing that we really noticed whilst we were travelling and talking to other people, that it's the South Island burnout community is really going hard and leaps and bounds as compared to sort of what we're doing up here in the North Island. So well done, guys. And so yeah, I know that Shelley had a massive weekend. She had some Just the Tippin merch for us down there at Lawrence, and that she was selling, and that's fucking amazing. So what do we got? This is cool, man. I don't even know. Don't think we're expecting what's coming. I don't even know. Also, here's Petrolhead magazine. Fuck a duck, page 11, and I reckon what we're going to see there is probably oh yeah, check it out. Check it out. So, Yeah the Girls, massive article on Yeah the Girls, a whole page, man. Let's have a look. Yep, a whole page. That's fucking dope. And Petrolhead magazine, it's a big thing to happen. They like content, but they're not starved for it, so well done. Let's have a look what we got here. We've got some stickery stuff going on. Yes, okay, so the side of the Menace needs some Sliding Designs gear, so we've got sliding designs. Actually, no, this is for the wall, I think, in here, because we've redone the studio, so Sliding Designs. Is it going to follow me now? You still following me, buddy? You got me or what? Here we go. Over here, buff. Over here. No, this fucking here. Mitchell, what the fuck did you give me, bro? Here, over here. Brother. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm gonna, wow. Anyway, we'll have to work on that. What else we got? Let's open this bag here. Tons of gear. Look at this. This is from Sliding Designs. So Shelley's actually able to do this. This is a Yeah the Girls fucking picture book. How fucking good. Like a coffee table book. Well done, Yeah the Girls 2024. Fuck, that is so cool. I don't know. I don't think we're going to give that away. Actually, we won't give that away. We're going to keep that. Sorry. What up to, brother? Yeah, I'm here. Whoa, no, over here, brother. Oh, you see, now he's caught up and the fucking camera's gone, and my phone's gone. Okay. This caution thing. Oh, just go like that. What a dick. Sweet. So, look at this. We've got some new Just the Tippin stickers. I know heaps of people have been asking us. Look at that. Tons of Just the Tippin stickers. Thank you so much, Shelley. Excellent work. Heaps of Miss AU ones, some Sliding Designs ones. And look at these fucking dope photos of Miss AU herself. Oh, fuck, we got to camera. So, yeah, fuck. Thank you so much, Shelley. And we're looking forward to talking to you because we do have to complete the Yeah the Girls episode, in which we have been fucking around, but you have been bloody busy. And obviously we need to break down Lawrence, and we'll do a bit of a Lawrence story too coming up. So I've got a fuck ton of shit to edit, and I'll begin doing that. Ray's got a fuck ton of stuff to watch. So what's going to happen is the Sean Jury episode is going to come out first. Actually, we've decided that because Sean Jury's NZ number one, and he's the fucking man. So we're going to bring that out, and the fact that him and Carmen, hashtag the world, fucking brought us back to the studio last night, and we did an interview. Oh, I don't know, it was pretty epic. So, yeah, fuck, legend. Thanks, Shelley. You're a fucking star, mate. And thanks, everyone. You're fucking pretty awesome. Ooh.